baseline field. Okay? Now move to negative correlation. Means what? Negative correlation. As one value increases, the other decreases. Okay? As one value increases, means that this one is increasing, the next value is decreasing. It's called negative correlation. And if one value increases and the next one is decreases, so the slope is negative. I will give an example, for example. Okay, this is x, this is 1. Okay, for example, this is 1, 2, 3. And I will give this 1. For example, when x equal 1, y equal negative 3. When x equal 2, y equal negative 6. When x equal 3, y equal negative 9. So, if we draw like that, this is, for example, x, and this is y. When x equal 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this one is negative 1, negative 2. Okay. I will just do this just a moment. Okay, we told that, for example, this is y and this is x. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. This one, my kids, is negative 2. Okay, or negative 3. Okay, this one negative 6, and this one negative 9. So when x equal 1, y equal negative 3. This is the first one. Okay. When x equal 2, y equal negative 6. When x equal 3, y equal negative 9. Okay? Then I will now add other codes. For example, this one. You can see that when the value of x is increasing, the value of y is decreasing. And you can see if I'm going to draw the baseline fit like that. Okay? And I will add another point. Okay? So, you can see that the slope of the line is negative. So, as it is negative, it's called negative correlation. Okay? Negative correlation. Why? Simply because when x increases, y is decreasing. Okay? And if you like, for example, to find the gradient, it's easy. Just you will try to draw what? A right angle triangle and make change in x, change in y divided by change in x. You will find a negative number. So this number, as it is negative, so it denotes that the slope is negative and the relationship between x and y is called negative correlation. Okay? The next. So, we told if, okay, for example, as a car gets older, the less it will be worth. Okay? The scatter graph may look like that. Okay? Means if the slope of the line had been negative, falling from left to the right, a negative correlation would exist since the slope of the line would have been negative. And a negative correlation, the longer I study, the worse grade I would get on my examination. Okay? At least now we can distinguish between positive and what? And negative. Positive and negative correlation. Okay? correlation. Okay. The next. Now let's see where we have no relationship between two variables or two quantities x and y. Okay? If we don't have any relationship between x and y, it's called in fact no correlation. Means there is no relationship between one set of values and the other. For example, adult's height don't relate to their ages. Okay? So, the scatter graph, what is drawn below, may look like this one. So, if the plot on the graph is scattered in such way that it does not approximate the line, it does not appear, meaning it does not appear to rise or to fall. Okay? There is no correlation between two sets of data. No correlation means what? Means that the data just does not show if studying longer has any effect on examination score. So this one, we can say that denotes or represents two variables, the relationship between two variables where there is no correlation. So, no correlation means there is no relationship between x and y. Okay? There is no relationship between the age of adults and the height of adults. Okay? Exercise. 7 students have to learn some French words. The table shows the time they spent learning the words and the number of words they got wrong in a test. This is time in hours: 1 hour, 3 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, and 8 hours. Number of wrong words is 8, then 6, then 5, then 4. I will just write it again: 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 2. The first 4 points have been plotted. 1, 2, 3, 4. So should continue plotting the next 3 points. 6, 3. Number of hours 3, and okay, for 1 we have 8. Okay, 8 was done. 4, 3, we have 5 and 6. Okay, it's done. And for 4 we have 4. Yes, it's done also. So for 6 hours we have wrong words, 3 wrong words. So 6 we have 3. 6 we have 3. 6, okay, 3 wrong words. And for spending 7 hours, we or the student made 2 wrong words. 7 is 2. What is 2? This one. 2, okay. This one 2. This one, okay. Sorry. Okay. Then for 8 also we have 2. 8 we have 2. This is my kids is a scatter graphs, okay, of this data. Complete the scatter diagram. Okay, it's done. Describe the relationship between the scatter diagram. Describe the relationship shown by the scatter diagram. So you can see that, let's say when x, when the number of times, for example here, number of hours is increasing, okay, so the number of mistakes is decreasing, okay, and here 8, the number of hours is increasing, the number of wrong walls are decreasing. Means what? This is a negative correlation. Okay, this is a negative correlation. Negative correlation. Okay. The next. An exercise. The scatter graph shows the length and width of 20 birds' eggs. One of the eggs has been length of 52 millimeters. What is its width? Then one of